made a good pass there. The guy didn't catch it. Good throw, Andy. Andy's quarterbacking. Andy's a quarterback right now, y'all. Here we go. Alright. He gets the ball. Hands it off. The flea flicker. Throws it over his head. Good play for the other team. The old flea flicker. Now here we go. Andy's still the quarterback. But they didn't even throw it to him.
How are you?
They didn't even up the ball back there to him.